Today we are diving into something wild, functions that return functions. Think of it in Dart. This f is a function that returns another function. Each call adds a running total until we pass 0. Then it returns this sum and it's like a curried function builder. Step 1. Function. Function f takes an optional positional parameters, sum and defaulting it to 0. It returns another functions. If x equal 0, it stops recursion and returns the accumulated sum. Otherwise, it calls f recursively, adding x to the sum. Each call returns a new function waiting for the next number. This is essentially a chainable sum function. You can keep calling it with the numbers and it accumulates the sum. If you like OOP style, you can wrap the logic inside a class by defining a call method your class interface behave like a functions. You can chain them just like before. Here is an example with configuration builder. You want to build something gradually like a logger, HTTP client, or a query builder? And what about event or callback factors? A function that returns a pure configured callback like this. And it actually shows a capturing state elegantly instead of passing it around every time. And you can add it to curried validators or filters, chaining criteria until you're ready to run. That's how you do function style, currying, and state accumulation in Dart. Follow for more.